This information is for educational purposes only. It is not intended to substitute for professional medical advice and should not be interpreted to contain treatment recommendations.
Hello, my name is Sarah Warmby. I'm a certified wound ostomy continence nurse and clinical consultant with Coloplast. This module will include how to use the Brava Powder and the Brava Skin Barrier Wipe, which is typically used in conjunction with each other. I'm going to start with the Brava Powder. So the powder is used to absorb moisture. So for instance, if the patient has irritated skin that's weeping, this particular powder will help absorb some of that moisture. So in order to apply a little bit to the patient's irritated skin, make sure you tap off any excess powder. And what this does is that it leaves a nice thin film of powder over the irritated skin. That way, when you do seal with a barrier wipe, it will make a nice seal. Now you're not going to wipe off the powder, you're sealing in place. What this does is that it will make a nice seal around the irritated skin, so that way you're able to apply the pouch over the irritated skin. So be sure to seal all of the powder that's visible. Let dry, and then you're able to apply your pouch over that.
Thank you for taking the time to view this module. For additional ostomy education, visit us at coloplast.us.